What's going on, smart people? Today we're changing things up. We're doing things a little bit different. We're going to have some fun. Right now I'm on the physics memes subreddit. So we're going to be looking at physics memes today. We're going to see what you guys got. Now, I checked some of these out already, and some of them are just... They're pretty good. They're pretty good. But some of them are, they're not so great. So what I'm probably going to be doing is just going to be posting the picture of the meme probably around right here. And hopefully you guys like them. So let's start with meme number 1. When you finish writing your lab report for an experiment where the data was a perfect match to the theory. I've got a really good feeling about this. I haven't seen the new Solo movie. I'm assuming that's what that is. Is that a thing that he says? I mean, not a very funny meme, but... When your teacher gives your answer in degrees instead of radians. I shouldn't have done that. It's not the Jedi way. I'm really hoping to see a whole bunch of prequel memes. I have a whole desktop full of prequel memes. Whole folder on my desktop of prequel memes. Who would win? The most massive objects in the universe and energy traveling at the fastest possible speed? One heavy boy. I don't really get the whole heavy boy, tall boy memes very much. That one's okay. That one gets okay. Early 20th century physicists be like, shoots gun, collapses. Why would the wave function do this? I love these kinds of memes. These are so funny. I'm trying to remember the other ones that I've seen. Blanking. Whatever. Moving on. Okay, atheists, if there's no God, then explain this. Maxwell's equations. And please hurry, I have a test today. That's pretty funny. What are they doing here? So they got just the... equation for a magnetic field. Okay. And they're just integrating it, doing a little line integral, little liney boy. Coming up with the current. Cool. Ew, I stepped in shit. Delta X, delta P is greater than or equal to H bar over 2. Okay. Moving on. God does not play dice. Changed my mind. Don't tell God what to do. Got another SpongeBob beam here. When you finish a problem that needed you to put in numbers in a calculator. I can count on like one hand how many times I've had to use a calculator after university physics. Next meme. Aw, aren't you the cutest little field? Q over 4 pi epsilon naught R over R blah blah blah. Oh no, it's retarded. I don't see anything funny about that. It's retarded and advanced. It's special relativity, everyone. Nothing offensive there. Moving on. Find engineer. Ridicule them for making approximations. Sine of theta isn't always just theta, okay? Set C equal to 1. Set C equal to 1. Alright, but to be fair, you're not just setting C equal to 1. You're choosing units such that C equals 1. That's not dank. I'm triggered. So far, I'm liking these memes. They're not like haha funny, but they're like funny. You know what I mean? But let's move on. Let's keep going. Let's keep this going. When an engineer is about to approximate G, G is 10, right? After completing a 2-page calculation and you realize you've lost a negative sign somewhere. Where is it? You can just throw in the negative sign. No one's gonna notice. You'll know. Oh, you'll know. Undergraduate physics textbooks. The Feynman lectures on physics. Some other physics book. University physics book. Aristotle physics. Where's Griffiths? When she says you can put it in the Stern Gerlach. This is more of an inside joke than anything for me because we talked about the Stern Gerlach experiment for like 20 or 30 years in my atomic physics class. So, oh, Stern. I like plus minus minus. So we're talking about metric signatures. I like minus plus plus plus. But we still respect each other. Get that dirty bullshit out of my face. For the record, particle physicists always use plus minus minus minus. Now we got, when you use the Dirac delta function to solve Maxwell's equations for the first time, I am the commander of electricity and all of friendship. Okay, last one. Aren't you a vector? Yup. And this is how you add. Yup. So If I add you to another vector, it should create the resultant vector. Makes sense to me. Then add. Vectors don't add like scalars. Alright, one more and then we'll call it a day. When someone in the introductory lab thinks they're a theorist despite being a first-year undergrad, truly wonderful the mind of a child is. This hits me at a personal level. But that's gonna do it for this video. I'll leave a link to the physics subreddit in the description below. Let me know in the comments section if you had fun going through these memes with me, and I'll see you guys there.